Welcome to another Teamflect tutorial. In this video, we'll be going over Teamflect Agent. We'll be covering all the different ways you can use and access Teamflect Agent, as well as how you can configure it to fit your organization's needs. Let's start with part 1. There are plenty of ways you can access Teamflect Agent, and one of them is through chat. From the homepage, all you need to do is click the Chat tab. And from here, just have a conversation with Teamflect Agent as if you're inside any other Microsoft Teams chat. Or you can simply head over to Microsoft Teams chat and select Teamflect to continue your conversation with Teamflect Agent. Now let's see how you can access Teamflect Agent through the Teamflect app. You will find the Ask AI button always available on the right side of the app, no matter which page you're on. And once you click on it, you can see that we have some useful suggested prompts for you ready to go. Or you can simply head over to the chat box and ask Teamflect Agent anything. But for now, let's try one of those suggested prompts. As you can see, Teamflect Agent is now summarizing our goal progress, gaps, and next steps for active goals. Teamflect Agent actually cites where it's getting its information from. So if we hover our cursor over one of these citations, we will actually see the goal that Teamflect Agent is referring to. Teamflect Agent will also suggest some follow-up actions to the results. Now we're going to select one of those. So let's click Prepare Tasks for HR Roadmap. And Teamflect Agent will prepare that task right away. Now all we need to do is review this task and send it. So if we click right here, the task will show up ready to be published. We can make any changes if we want to, and then we can click Create. Now, another great use case for Teamflect Agent is policy questions. So if we have a policy question, such as what is the first week onboarding plan, it will actually look at that policy document and give us an answer. And of course, it will refer to the actual document itself, so we can click right here to view it. This not only makes sure all your employees' policy questions are answered, but also saves your HR team a lot of time. Now, we can also use Teamflect Agent to answer Teamflect related questions. So if we have any questions on how a certain feature works inside Teamflect, instead of going over and asking your IT department, you can get your answers right here. And as always, Teamflect Agent will also suggest a more detailed help article with its answer. Now, the Ask AI section isn't the only way you can access Teamflect Agent. We embedded useful quick action triggers throughout the app. For example, if you're in the My Team tab, you can click Summarize Objective Progress and view all of your team's objectives summarized like so. Or let's say you're conducting performance reviews. We have easy to access triggers for Teamflect Agent that are there to help our users draft the perfect self-review. And if we click on one, as you can see, it will gather all the highlights from the review period for our performance review. This about wraps it up for the first part of our tutorial. Now we will take a look at how you can configure Teamflect Agent. And of course, this part is for Teamflect administrators. Here we are inside the Teamflect Admin Center. We're clicking Settings and heading over to Teamflect AI. This is where we can configure everything AI related inside the Teamflect app. And first things first, if we want to turn off Teamflect Agent fully, we can always use this toggle. Now, let's head over to the knowledge base. This is where we can control where Teamflect Agent is getting its information from. And we have complete control over which one of these Teamflect Agent can access for its answers. Or if we want to, we can upload additional internal documents right here. Now, let's go back to the settings. Right here is where we can control who can actually access Teamflect Agent. If it's going to be everyone in the company, certain selected users, or if we're going to filter users by attribute. We can even customize the notification message users will receive when they get access to Teamflect Agent. Now, let's take a look at the reporting side. Under the Reports tab from the left sidebar of the Admin Center, all we need to do is select Teamflect Agent. And now we can access all sorts of different usage reports on Teamflect Agent within our organization. Some of these include organization-wide adoption rate, or different weekly usage trends separated by different attributes, such as departments, country, employee IDs, different employee types, job titles, so on and so forth. And as is the case with all Teamflect reports, we can navigate them with ease using the filters on the right. But that about brings us to the end of our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful.